Whether you know this or not, I recently moved to one of the most bike-friendly cities in the United States. And that means I bought a bike, and thus I may try to get in shape. But besides that, I wanted to make sure that I was safe while riding my bicycle at all times of day, including night. So what does that mean? Well, you have to get some lights for your bicycle. But what lights do you buy? You came to the right place. I picked up a set of the Ascher LED bike lights. And maybe you will too if you like them and this video review. Stick around. Now the Ascher LED bike light set includes a front headlight as well as a tail light. And these are not the cheapest ones on Amazon, but they are only a couple dollars more than the recommended one that was like $17. And these, yes these, are only $23.99 as of now. Link in the description. The reason I bought them is because for the slight price difference, you get a significant increase in quality. At least that's what I see from the listing. When I open this package, will they actually be higher quality? I don't know, guess we'll see. Pulling away the plastic wrap that almost every Amazon product comes in, we get to the box where it says Ascher Rechargeable LED Bike Light Set. 4 light mode options, 2 USB cables included. And now we have to figure out how to open the box. There it is, one side, no tape on the side to cut. Model HJ040, made in China. Pull out. There's some directions, a user manual. I don't know how complicated these can be, being light bulbs. The 2 USB cables, they charge by micro USB. I'll talk about battery life in just a minute, and I have so many of these at this point in my life. When things turn to Type-C and I just have a bunch of micro USB cables, I will be ticked. Pull out first, just clip my nails, the headlight. This headlight is 300 lumens. The other ones that I were looking at were about a third of the brightness for just a little bit decrease in price. So that's why I think the Ascher ones that I have are worth it. We'll see how bright they are. And then we get to the mounting system. Another plus for these lights is that it actually takes no hardware to mount it to your bike. All you do is you take this rubber strap, which will prevent it from slipping around your grips, and then you put it around your handlebars and clip it in like so. And not that my fingers are handlebars, but this holds pretty well. From there then, you take the light and you can clip it in like so, and it locks. If you want to leave the mount on and just pull the light off, you can do so by pressing this back pad here. This doesn't swivel or anything, which is good because that would be highly annoying if it did. The actual light though features 4 modes, so does the tail light. These are IPX4 rated, which means if you get caught in a light rainstorm, you'll probably be fine, but anything torrential, I would stay away from. Looks like just one LED diode on the front. In total, the battery is 1850 milliamp hours, and the use time depends on what mode you're in. So if I actually click this on, right now, I believe this is full brightness, and I don't know, is that, woo, shiny. So this is full brightness. This is half brightness, and then there's fast flashing. Oh wait, no. Okay, fast flashing, and then I think this is slow flashing. 4 modes. If you are in the actual full brightness mode, you're only gonna get 5 hours of use. But honestly, who rides their bike 5 hours in one straight shot? Okay, I know some of you do, but it's not me, the average user. The tail light, on the other hand, this also has 4 modes, but you get a little bit increase in battery life. Doesn't take as much juice. The actual capacity on the rear light is only 330 milliamp hours. The brightness is lower too. Instead of 300 lumens, this is 70, but in my opinion, a red light is easier to see. So we turn this on, there's the full brightness, half. Does that even make that much of a difference? Full, half, okay, yeah, it does. Fast flashing, slow flashing. And the neat part about this is you can actually turn it whichever way you want. So something like this you would have mounted on your back seat post. And if you want it vertical, you can have it vertical. If you want it horizontal, you can do that as well. Some people do put these around the vents in their helmet and have it like that. I'm not really a fan of that, mostly because you know, my head's already big enough and my helmet's barely fit. And with this being in there, it just makes it harder. So far, I don't really see any major flaws in the construction. It leads me to believe this will last a fair amount of time. There also is a a pivot for the rear light that I just noticed. Overall, I really have nothing negative to say about these lights. When I actually get to using them, maybe I'll actually hate them. But from what I can tell, these, ow, geez, don't look directly in. It hurts your eyeballs. Oh, up. All weather, okay. Wow, holy cow. Oh, to protect eyes, never look at the light directly when the light is on. Don't charge the lights for a long time. Please read the direction. I broke the rules just so you wouldn't have to. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to drop a like. If you want to purchase this product and also support 3411 Heavy Media, please do so through the Amazon link below. Also, don't forget to click that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss out on any future content. As always, folks, thanks for watching. I still can't see right. Bird out.